How to change the subtitle language on YouTube app. What's up, everybody? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to easily change the subtitle language on the YouTube app. For that, you first need to open up your YouTube application and make sure that you are logged into your account. From here, you just tap on the U section at the bottom right corner, and once you get to your profile, tap on the gear icon at the top right corner to open up your settings. Once you get to your settings, you are just going to scroll down until you find video and audio preferences. Then you are going to tap on captions. So the very first thing that you need to do is allow these captions and tap on more options. And once you get there, you will have the language options. Tap on it, and the default language will be English, so you can choose from any of these available languages. So if I want to change this language to, let's say, um, something from Brazil, I'm just going to change it to Portuguese. Now the subtitle on my videos will be on Portuguese. So for example, if I go ahead and play any video right here, and if there are any subtitles available, I'm just going to turn on the captions, but it seems that this does not support the Portuguese caption, but the videos which supports the caption will be on there. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I'll see you guys on the next one.